not to be your friend. You not buy me food. You not take care of my kids.
Long for chopping tea?
Because I'm professional, you see. Watch it. You see that? You see that? You see that? You're professional, watch it. Whole eye such a off, you know.
Yeah, I see.
Oh my God, this is official.
What you mean, youths? If you cut it lean now, that means I get bun. Come.
Lord clot. I hit this. I'm gonna kill her, blood clot.
Bobby turn.
No, dog, if you think governor, no.
No, they up now.
Cause left hand people don't get money, you see it.
I'm going to try use,
I style my use, man. Cause left hand people don't get money.
Precision you want.
No, man, left hand people don't get money, you see it.
Make it look like you not get no bun. Precision because you deal with it. Style with.
Yes, say it.
Oh, them in school, they can't dig out them then. What kind of anyway?
What the fuck?
You know, Daffy dread to be Rasta. Jelly is a Rasta man thing, you know. Yeah, man. I don't know, because I say.
You hear that, guys?
Well, at least to be. Such a fuck. You don't have to be dead to be Rasta. I can't lick off all of this.
All of me can't finish this. Parrot. So yeah, we drink up my coconut water the first thing I had in the morning. What are you good for?
Good for sex. Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man, you're good. Sexual arousement. Yeah, man, you're good for sex. Right. Moment of truth.
So if you call in, what happen?
I get paid, bud.
From who?
Right, you? Paid, bud, I get.
Let's hope you don't. Nah, yeah, bud.
You look a half key liquor, man, yeah? You half key liquor. Look like liquor, bud, I go on. But the much.
Yes, guys. So I'm cut a piece of this. I'll call it spoon. And scrape out the meat out of the coconut. There you go, so. Coconut today? Keep doctor away. And now I'm finished. Yeah. But say I have something to tell you now. I said this morning now, I see good in my bed now. And baby, I cook coconut from early. And I pick and say, So trim cut around, I don't know, around a cup of coconut and then cut it. You know, so I wait me and say, yeah, give me bun. Me, I'm frightened. I'm not telling me frightened. Come here, so where my tab? So, you see, if you don't cut coconut and coconut cut leaf, that means you're a man or a woman again bun. So, yeah, if you always cut straight, so that means you're not getting no bun.